Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for Ford Super Duty pickups. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the taillight. Unseat the taillight. Remove the brake lamp socket. Remove the reverse lamp socket. Remove the brake lamp bulb from its socket. Install the socket insert into the brake socket. Align the black wire of the insert with the black wire of the socket to ensure correct polarity. Reinstall the reverse socket. Seat the Spyder taillight. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts that secured the taillight. Congratulations, you've updated your Super Duty with a set of modern LED taillights from Spyder Auto.